Hello everyone, Paul here from NetChatTV, and I purchased some new hood hold downs for the Jeep, and they look pretty solid, pretty heavy duty, so I figured I would record me changing them and installing them. So I'll move the camera, get it into place, and we'll start her up again. Okay, so the first thing I got to do is remove the old hold downs. It's kind of a tight spot under here, but let me get the wrench and get to it. Everything's always in a tight spot, but I think I can get on that nut. 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter. I think it would be a little bit easier if I remove this air filter. Okay, so I have a band around this. That I can loosen up and then slide this filter off. That'll make life a little bit easier to get in there. Should be okay. Okay. So I'll put that to the side. Get in here. Loosen this baby up. You know everything's going to be tight. There's a tight one. That hasn't been removed in 10 years. There's only one bolt holding the bottom section of the tie down. So, we'll get this baby out of here. Okay. I dropped it. Yep. So we got that and that. And that's the old, let's see, where are we? The old tie down. We'll save that. You never know. Now, the new tie down base is here. This is the new one, and can't really get to that Allen, so I might have to remove these side Allens to take this piece off. Let's do that. This is not really big technical job, but I figured it's worth videoing for some people. So we're going to loosen this up, take these out. This way I can get to that Allen on the inside to hold it back when I tighten up the nut. So this came out. Here's the base. Okay. And I give you 2 rubber grommets. I guess they go in here, and there's little holes up on top for the rubber. That's that. Now the tricky part will be to try to get the nut on here. And I'll see if I can get it in there. Usually, I'm pretty good with doing this. Not that time. Okay. I'm going to try it again. I dropped the nut. I'm going to try it again and see. I wish I can get in from the other side, but there are so many wires. There's a wire harness right there. I got it. Okay. Let's make sure it's the same size as the old one. Kind of hoping. Let's see. I think it is. Yep. So it's the same size. So we'll get this on there and we will tighten it up. Okay, so that's tight, and now we'll put the other piece back in here. This should flip up and latch in, but we'll see. We'll have to change the top piece also. Side piece in. It's like dropsies today. All right. Yeah, these are pretty heavy duty, and they seem to be good. So we're going to see. Open this up. On this side. Snug them up. And I got to remove the top section. There's two bolts on the top. And that should be a piece of cake. And I do notice that there's a little worn spot here that I'm going to have to touch up. I think the other ones came with a little bumper, but not a problem. Alright. And yeah, the old one had this little bumper piece. Okay, so we're going to take this top piece off now. Let me see if I can adjust this camera. Oh, it's a 10 millimeter. Let's see. one off. Take the other one off. There we go. That's the old one. Okay, so I removed the top. Now we're going to install the top hook. Might be a little easier for me to drop this down and rest it on something. Let's try that. See if I can rest the hood down a little bit here. That's a little better. I guess you can't see it. Let me adjust. Okay. So it's going to go up on here like this. So let's see if I can move this camera. Alright, that's better, I think. Yeah, okay, so anyway, it's going to sit like this. And then this latch will clip in and pull down. So each rubber piece has a marking on it for JK and for the JL. So my truck is a JK, so we're going to put this here. It's pretty funny, I don't see any instructions, believe it or not. So, it's going through. Start these. Pretty long. It shouldn't hit. Let's see. See if they're the same size. Yep. Okay. Take this Allen. I have. They gave me a kit, but not that many Allen keys in here. Let's see. Maybe this one. This one looks the same. Alright. So that's it. So, I'm going to snug it down and then probably adjust. After we get them in, we'll have to adjust it. At least these won't turn colors. They're anodized and should last a lot longer. I think they're aluminum anodized. We'll see. They weren't that expensive. I think $43. I could have gotten the locking ones, but I really didn't think I need locking ones. All right, we're gonna have to go on the other side. It's actually the same thing, so I'm not going to show you that whole process. I'll show you when it's all done. Okay, so they're all done. They're all adjusted. This is what they look like. They work pretty good. Snap off, down, lock in. And that's it. I did both sides. I adjusted them. Adjusting them took a little bit of time, but other than that, pretty good. Let me back this out a little. Yeah, so that's it. I mean, not a big deal, not a big custom job, but it solves my problem. The other ones were starting to dry rot. They were rubber, and they would loosen up. Plus they were fading like the rest of this stuff. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe you learned something, maybe you didn't. I will catch you on the next one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, NetChatTV. We'll catch you.